Okay, you guys, this is the section that you need to do if you want to retake the 8.g.6 on your test. So make sure that on another piece of paper that you are watching each of the questions that were from that section, and any of the questions that you got incorrect, you need to be able to tell me exactly what you did wrong so that you don't make that same mistake the next time. Okay. Number 1, Paul is building a bridge for a school project and wants to make a right triangle out of 3 popsicle sticks that measure 8, 10, and 18. Can he make a right triangle out of these lengths? Okay, so what this is asking is, can we make a triangle out of those side lengths? So in order to figure this out, we need to take our Pythagorean theorem, and if these side lengths will make a right triangle, when we plug them in to the A, B, and C in the Pythagorean theorem, it will make it true. So 8 squared plus 10 squared equals 18 squared. Okay, that's what we're looking for. So 8 squared is 64. So 8 squared plus 10 squared is 100. So that gives us 164. And then when I do 18 squared, that gives us 324. So we are looking for one of the ones that say no. Can you make a right triangle out of these side lengths? So we're looking for the ones that say no, and we can see that it would be this one because 8 squared plus 10 squared does not equal c squared. Okay, next one. Which of the following could be the areas of the 3 squares shown below? Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem proof says that if you take the area of this square and you add it to the area of this square, that is going to equal the area of this square. Okay, so which of the following could be areas? So we're looking for the one that when you take this one and you add it to this one, you get this one. And it happens to be A. If my area is 40 for this one, and the area for this one is 55, that means the area of this one would have to be 95. And you can see here, 35 plus 55 is 60. That doesn't equal 45, okay? 10 plus 10 is 20. That doesn't equal 100. 40 plus 30 is 70. That doesn't equal 1200. So the only one that it could be is that one. Okay, and then the last one on this section, which of the following best explains how this diagram is a proof of the Pythagorean theorem? The square attached to the hypotenuse has an area that is equal to the sum of the areas of the other 2 squares. So it should have been that one. If you have a right triangle, okay, so if this is your right angle and you have a square and a square from each of the legs, the areas of those 2 squares will always equal the area of the third square. Okay, so the square attached to the hypotenuse, that would be this one. The area of this square attached to the hypotenuse has an area that is equal to the sum of the area of this square added to the area of this square. Okay.